Everyone. Hello everyone. Let's Challenge in Learning has new strategy for making multiplication of 5 easier. Just if you focus on odd and even numbers. Let's go on. As you know, in odd group we have these 5 numbers, and in even groups we have these numbers. So today we are going to work on 5 timetable. Do you know how to get the answer of this multiplication easily? At the end of this video, you will be able to find the answer without calculator. First of all, I'm going to draw number lines, and then we will go to skip by 5. If we start skipping by 5, this pattern will be created. And then you will see that if you times any odd number, they will stand on the left side of the number line. And if you times any even number, they will locate it and will be on the right side. It is interesting. Look, 5 times 1, and you know 1 is the first odd number. The answer is 5. If I come and try the even number, the first one, like 2, then the answer will be with 0. So it is interesting that the first odd number has the answer with 5, and the first even number has the answer of 0. And it will be repeated, means if instead of 1 I'm writing here another even odd number like 5 times 3, or like 5 times 5, or like 5 times 7, other odd number, they have in their answer 5 and 5. And if I use another even numbers, like after 5 times 2, for example, I write 5 times 4, and then 5 times 6, or even larger even numbers, you will see all of them have 0 in their answers. So, okay, you got it. Then, by understanding this fact, we will get very interesting result and conclusion. It will help us to learn easier. Let's go on. I will show you. As I told you, if I write and go on for larger even and larger odd, what will happen? So it will happen that on all of the odd numbers will come on the left side with the answer of 5, and all of the even numbers will stand on right side with the number of 0. Don't forget this fact. But after that, what about the tens one? We know that I told you all of the answer for even will get 0. So what about the other digit? And I told you all of the odd number will get the 5 in their answer. What about the tens digit? So we will find the tens. Look at here. For odd, they have 5. For even, they have 0. Don't forget this fact. Now for tens, it's interesting. If the number is even, you need just divide by 2. Okay? So 5 times 2, what is the answer? 10 is the answer because you know this fact. And for tens, just divide 2 by 2. So divide 2 by 2, the answer will be 1. So the answer will be exactly 1 and 0 means 10. So let's go and try. Try this interesting fact. It's amazing. So I told you, just if you see any even number that is multiple by 5, make it divide by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And then leave 1 0 because for even number always they have 0. Let's talk about 5 times 6. The same rule, the same pattern. Divide by 6 is 3, and because it's even, you need 0. You can go through the larger one and write 8. The answer will be what? 8 divided by 2, 4, and then 0 because it's even. Even if I try the larger one, like 18, so definitely 18 is even, so you can leave 1 0, and then 18 divided by 2 is 9. The answer will be 9. Are you happy? You achieved very great success. Yes, with our calculator. So let's go and then see what will happen for odd numbers. The odd numbers has the same pattern, but one more step. You need to do one more step. I want to show this procedure as I explained for you. And for odd number, because you cannot divide them by 2, they are odd, first minus 1 and then divide by 2. This is the extra stage that I told you. For example, if you see 5, okay, times any odd number, like for example 15. I'm writing a greater one. So as I told you, because it's odd, you have to leave 1, 5 first of all. And then step 2, make it minus 1 is 14. Then divide by 2, 14. Divide by 2. I don't have a space here. Sorry. Okay, let's go. Then 15 minus 1 will be 14. And then 14 divided by 2. Obviously, you know that is 7. So leave 7 here and this is your answer. If you multiply 15 times 5, definitely this is the answer with a calculator. Be sure and confident. Okay, so let's go on to see what will happen then. Can you find the other amount easily? This is the procedure as I explained for you for even numbers that you need only multiply by, you need only divide by 2. Sorry. Yes. And here I told you that because 5 is not an even number, or if you see odd number, so you cannot divide them by 2. So first minus 1 and the answer divide by 2. Then you will get the answer directly after these 2 steps. Correct? Okay. Good luck. And for even numbers, directly, just by one step, when you divide by 2, the answer will be appear as I am showing you. Let's go to practice time. So you need to consider and identify, is it odd or even? Correct. As you know, it's even and it will stand on right side on the number line. So when it's coming on right side, as you remember and I explained for you and showed you, it needs 0. Then you have to divide 36 by 2 and the answer will be 18. Just transfer this 18 beside the 0 and get the answer confidently. and then be happy and say hooray. Let's show you this process on the screen. Yes, hooray. As I told you, 36 divided by 2 is 18, and it has complete answer because it's even. Then you know that because 36 is even number, it will stand in the right side, and you need to add a 0. So add a 0, and this is done. Let's try another one. Again, identify and ask yourself, is it odd or even? It is even. So definitely it has 0, and it will come right side on the number line. So then divide by 2. 22 divided by 2 is 11. Transfer 11 here, and 110 is your answer. Done. Yes, how was it? Amazing. It's like a magic, just by blink of eye. Yes, look at the procedure. Divide by 2, then it's even, needs 0, and done. I hope you enjoy and be happy, learning very fast. I'm waiting for your comment, and please subscribe.